Dear dreamers, we invite you to join us. Join us in reinventing making and making the amazing. Toast to the union of inspiration and vision. Bring an appetite for extraordinary and gather round an incredible new centerpiece that gives your creation brilliant shape. Voxel technology that offers boundless freedom and opens exciting new design possibilities. Innovation that delivers integrity like no other. And lets you color outside the lines of convention. Go ahead, throw your arms around the invisible. Grab hold of the solution that's within your reach. Dream bigger, brighter, faster. But don't just dream it, make it too. Reinvent making.